Hey everybody, it's Lynette with the Skin Candy again. Thank you so much for joining us. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be bringing you along on one of our shampoo bar making journeys today. So the scent that we're going to be making is Peach Perfection, and this is a fragrance by Nature's Garden, and we're going to be coloring it. Hopefully it's going to be kind of a peachy color. I don't know if you can see that very well, but this is all of our oils. I've already put in here the SCI noodles. This is a syndet, I think is how you pronounce it, bar. And I also have put in here beer powder, which adds a great shine to the hair. In this container we have our BTMS and our cetyl alcohol, shea, coconut oil, all melted down, ready to go. In here we have our proteins, our liquid proteins, DL panthenol, water, fragrance, and our conditioning agent. So we're just going to go ahead and get started.
Smells really good. It smells like peachos.
Peachos? Oh yeah,
those like gummy peaches. That's what it smells like. What is that?
Peach Perfection by Nature's Garden.
It smells delicious.
So these are our shampoo bar molds. We line them with press and seal. It helps get the shampoo bar out a little bit easier, and it helps with cleanup. So I put that on there, and then I put a piece on each of the four. And then it just helps it from sticking, keeps it from sticking. Since there's 4 molds in here, I like to be able to measure this out to the size of what our molds are going to be, or the end product shampoo bar.